So how much money can you make in freelancing? This is a simple question, and I'm going to answer this question with you right now. As a freelancer, you are self-employed. You make the rules. You decide what you do. You decide how much you charge, and you decide how much hours you put into work every single day. And for this reason, the amount of money that you can earn in freelancing is going to depend on 3 factors. The first one is the services you are offering, the services you choose to start selling as a freelancer. Some services have a higher earning potential than some services. For example, if you are a software developer, you are going to earn more than a data entry freelancer. So this is the very first thing that determines how much money you earn in freelancing. If you have the skills to offer some of the advanced services such as web development, JavaScript development, software development, and all of these similar services that require more skills than other services. But if you choose to do something like data entry or transcription, you are going to earn way less than somebody who is doing those other services, because almost anybody can do data entry. And for that reason, data entry is not something that an expert is needed in order to do. Most clients who hire a data entry freelancer, they are just looking for someone to save them time. But most of the clients who are looking for a software developer or JavaScript developer, they are looking for an expert. They are looking for someone who knows how to do something that they don't know how to do. So for that reason, if you are offering those services, you are going to charge way higher than somebody who is offering data entry or transcription. So the very first question that you shall ask yourself is, what skills do you have? What can you do as a freelancer? What can you offer as a freelancer? This is going to contribute a lot to how much money you earn in freelancing. Okay, the next factor is how much hours you put into work every day and how many clients do you serve at once. If you work with 2 clients in a week and they pay you $200, then if you work with 4 clients, they are going to pay you $400. And if you work with 6 clients, they are going to pay you $600. So how many clients do you serve at once and how much hours you put into work every single day? This is going to contribute a lot to how much money you earn in freelancing. Okay, the next factor is how much do you charge per project? As a freelancer, you are going to set your rate. You are going to choose how much clients pay you per project. But that is also going to depend on the average market price. If you are working in a freelancing platform like Upwork or Fiverr, and if you are offering graphic design services, in order to stay competitive, you have to make your prices also competitive. If the average price on the freelancing platform is $50 and you start charging $100, then it might be a little bit challenging for you to get clients, especially if you are new. So your prices have to be competitive. But if you want to increase your earning potential, you should never choose the lowest price. If the average price is $50, then it will be a bad idea to go for $20 or $25. Try to keep your price at an average, and the price you set, the amount of money you charge, is also going to depend on your level of skills. If you are a complete beginner to freelancing with very little experience, then it might be a bad idea for you to go for the highest price. It will be best if you keep your prices at an average or a little below average, because you are completely new and you have very little experience. So you shall ask yourself the skills that you have. Are you an average freelancer? Are you an expert freelancer? Or are you a complete beginner freelancer? This is what is going to help you set your rate. So generally, the amount of money you make in freelancing is going to depend on these 3 factors. The first one, the services you choose to offer as a freelancer. The second one, the number of clients you choose to serve at once, and the amount of hours you put into work every single day. And the third criteria is how much do you charge per project. So what shall you do in order to increase your earning potential? In order to increase your earning potential, the first thing that you should do is consider your skills and your learning capability. If you can learn some high-level services like JavaScript development or CSS or app development, software development, then it might be a good idea to learn these high-level skills, because they are going to pay you a lot more. And another thing that is going to increase your earning potential is increase the number of hours that you work every single day. That is, if you are interested in doing that. And in order to increase the number of hours that you work every single day, you need to have more clients. So you shall focus on finding more clients, and you shall also try to find clients who are going to give you project on a continuous basis. Obviously, this is going to depend on the services that you are offering as a freelancer. Some services you can offer to a single client on a continuous basis, and some services are one-off project. So if you are offering logo design, for example, the client who are looking for a logo designer, they are probably looking for a logo designer one time when they are setting up a part of their business. They are not going to need a new logo every single week. But if you are doing video editing, the client who are going to hire you to edit their videos, especially YouTube videos, they need a freelancer on a continuous basis. So if they give you a project this week, there is a good chance they are going to give you another project next week or next 2 weeks. And another way to have consistent project every single month is try to find agency client. Agency client are freelancers who have an agency, who have other freelancers working for them. They already have a big client network, and clients know them based on a reputation, so they are getting consistent projects more than they can handle, and for that reason they have to hire other freelancers to work for them. So if you can find some of those agency clients, you are going to not have any problem with finding new clients every single month, because they will be giving you projects on a continuous basis. So the amount of money that you can make in freelancing is going to depend totally on you. If you want to make more money, put in more hours into work. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.